This is the Hotel Salvator in Prague. We've stayed here for 2 nights, so we're going to show you what it's like inside and what you can expect if you stay here. The Hotel Salvator is a traditional hotel located just a 5 or 10 minute walk from Prague's historic centre. It's also well connected to the city's transport system with the Náměstí Republiky metro station and several tram stops just a few minutes walk from the hotel entrance. The staff at the Hotel Salvator are all really friendly and speak great English, so you'll have no problem when checking in or if you have any queries during your stay. We love the layout of the hotel, especially the central courtyard open to the elements and the iron balconies adorned with fresh flowers on every floor. We stayed in a suite which sleeps up to 6 guests. It has 2 bedrooms, each with a double and a single bed. There's a toilet and a bathroom with a shower. There's also a TV, fridge and a safety deposit box. The beds were very comfortable in the room, the Wi-Fi was fast and there were several plug sockets to charge your devices. This is definitely the most spacious room we have ever stayed in on a city break, and at just £270 for 4 people for 2 nights, it's a great deal too. All in all, this is a fantastic room to stay in, and the Hotel Salvator is a fantastic hotel. One thing I didn't mention when we were in Prague was the taxi situation. Now normally when we go on a city break I'll think nothing of just wait until I get to the airport, jump in a taxi to take us to the hotel because there are always loads of taxis. Now I'd read online that there are sometimes problems with taxis in Prague, and I don't know how true that is, to be fair, but I'd read enough to make me slightly worried about it. So it was great when I found out that the Hotel Salvator actually offered to book a taxi in advance and meet us at the airport. That's what we did. Our taxi driver was very friendly, George. He met us at the airport. It cost about, I think it was 25 or 30 euros. He let us pay in euros. And while we were at the Hotel Salvator, we booked a taxi going back to the airport, which was also a similar price. So that is one big advantage of staying at this hotel. So what do we think of the Hotel Salvator? We've really enjoyed our stay here. The hotel is a 3-star, very comfortable. The beds are very comfortable. The suite we had, it was like for 4 of us, but you could have fit 6 in there. I think it cost about 7,500 crowns for 2 nights. So it's, depending on the exchange rates, anywhere between 250 and 300 pounds. It's a nice courtyard area in the middle, very nice to look at. It's also got a La Boca steakhouse, Argentinian steakhouse attached to it. Now we didn't get time to eat in there, but it does get very good reviews. And the taxi driver recommended it to us as well. So overall it's a great location, somewhere you should consider if you're coming to Prague for the weekend.